Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
This thing is really disturbing about this fraudulent government, the PPP government. I don't care. I'm saying they're fraudulent because we all watch the election. We watch how it played out. I don't care who say who win, who were, or whatever. But we know that a lot of nonsense went on, right? That is the reason why the APNU, AFC filed a petition. If we know that there are discrepancies pertaining to the election and the outcome of the government that is in power now, let it go to the petition. Let it go to the petition. Let everything expose. And then we see, well, okay, who win fair and square or who was cheated out or whatever. But just leave it like that. Why the police getting involved? Why is the government indulging in having the police get involved in private matters? I am not a lawyer, but from the years I know myself, anything private, if it come private, it's supposed to be, well, you go to the civil court or whatever court and deal with it. Why the police now arresting people and saying that people did this with the election, people did that with the election? I thought anything to do with the election, it's supposed to go through GCOM or the courts. I never know that the police have the right to be arresting people. And the hurtful part about it, whether you're black, you're white, you're Chinese, you're Portuguese, whatever, it's one set of people being targeted. So what are you trying to say, that it's only Afro Guyanese that have in the APNU coalition? What happened to all of the rest of Indian people? What happened to all these people that were in these different regions? They did nothing. I remember when Claudette Singh, the serpent, when she said she wanted a meeting with these ROs from these different places, nobody turned up. How come now the government get into power? Why are they not going after that? How could the case against Claudette Singh be dropped? Why is Lowenfield, Mr. Mingo, now the lock up this other woman? They lock up a woman before. Only black people, children, husbands and mothers you guys are targeting. And the thing about the AFC coalition, everybody just say, oh, pray my backside. Pray my backside, I'm not blaspheming, but that is all you guys are doing. Pray. And Jack Dio have these, well, I would call them donkeys, fetching all of his vengeance, his revenge, his vendetta, his hatred, everything towards black people on the back and dishing it out. The little fly, well, he's not a little fly anymore. He's a big, hard fly. The Kwame, the Egil, the Mark Phillips, the Sawalale. The other one there, the cross-side one, the police whatever name, I don't know, I don't care. I don't even have to come back to Guyana. But I'm going to talk. You know why I'm going to talk? Because I earned the right to talk about Guyana election because I was born in Guyana. And that gave me a right to talk. Fair is fair. You cannot be targeting one set of people and that is not in your power. That is not in your power to be telling the police what to do. The police are civil servants. They work for the citizens of Guyana. They do not work for you. You are the legal government. And the thing about it, what everybody was whispering, if this little fat one that I don't even know who dressed him yesterday. It can't be his mother. It got probably be wife. Because she put on a big suit and he like if they take a cardboard and just fit it over him prop. You understand? If this guy went in, everybody were praying that, okay, he get in, we know that he's a pig and a hog and everything because everybody spoke about him when he was in charge of the lands and houses and whatever. That when he'd get in, if it was fair, people might have been like a little more kosher with him. But he's an idiot. He's an idiot. He got dragged, you know, I don't even know what to call this dude. All the other presidents and everybody, the retire, the portion done, whatever, and they're chill. But this one, he just flying. Yeah? Who's your mother and your father? You is Satan, Pickney. And I don't believe in no karma and no nothing gonna happen to you when this and nothing gonna happen to you. It needs to happen to your ass right now. Somebody needs to either go to some kind of court, I don't know which court they could go to, and stop you from doing all these illegal things. The apnu getting, they want to be gentlemen because they are well educated, well dignified, well schooled men of class and women of class. I don't know if the president ever sat down and listened to these people, how they talk. And I guess you should get a dictionary too and a recorder and like tape them and try to mold yourself like them. But then as it go, it seems as though education is not even really the in thing now. You just got to be a criminal, a thief, a crook, a drug dealer, a murderer, and everything to be in charge. That is what it seems like. Why are you targeting our black people in Guyana? And all we are doing is, oh, God's going to do this to you, and God's going to do that. You know what God said? God said, get up and get. Get up and get this. We say, you guys got to do something to stop this guy. You got to do something to stop this guy because this guy is crazy. Now, for instance, as soon as they get in power, fraudulently, they dig up all the palm trees. This Guyana palm tree, this the citizen money, put the palm tree there. It's not Granger money, put it there, or PPP money, put it there. It's citizen money. You pay people to dig that up. You understand? So there's a whole set of money going down the drain there. What are you going to put there now? You don't want palm tree. Where you going to put? Cotton or callaloo or bora or okra or something that people could pass and pick when they're hungry or something? Or you're going to put cane there, right? Now, to what I understand now, they're taking down the arch. 2 arches they're taking down. They took them down before. What become of the metal? They couldn't find it. So who are you giving those to now? When it's sell, who you giving it to? Kwame, Jill, Mark Phillips, the policeman, the cross-eyed policeman and all of them. How you guys feel? We are black. We are your brother, we are your sister, we are your children, we are your niece or whatever. Yeah, sick my stomach. Guyana, yeah, sick my stomach. Oh gosh. Jagdio, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Guyana does not belong to you. Guyana belongs to the citizens of Guyana. You came and meet Guyana and you will die and leave Guyana. What is wrong with you? You already got two Prattville, whatever. You got this, you got that. What more you want? How much blood you done got on your hand? What else do you want? Guyanese people is be living in unity all the time. Till election come and then you start dividing them. And some of them is idiots and all. I could talk. I could talk. This is my mouth and I could talk. And I said what I said. I am voting for Biden. I'm voting for Biden. It seems as though education, it's not cutting it. It's not cutting it at all. But Jagdio, I don't know. You are a demon. You are more than one demon put together. More than one. But all the black men in the PPP, I want y'all sit back and relax and study. Just watch what is going on. Right? Why the election petition cannot prove what these crooks are saying. Why not let it go to the court? Why the case not calling? What is he trying to do to formulate something to show now that it's not this and it's not that? That is not your place. That is not your place. All these crookish policemen and these crookish black men that are running behind the PPP. Don't get me wrong. I'm not racial or anything, but the writing is on the wall.
Viewers and subscribers, first thing I want to say is big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country of Guyana. You see, this video had been brought to my attention. You understand? And I get the understanding that this video shows a person talking about persons within the country of Guyana and talking about some things that's going on in Guyana. Also talking about election in Guyana and other things as well. You see me? this person said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that African descendants within the country of Guyana are being attacked by the police. You see me? And it seems as if she's saying that they are the only ones being attacked within the country of Guyana. So basically, it would seem as if somewhat of a racism is going on within the country of Guyana. Now, I'm a Jamaican, so I don't really understand everything that's going on within the country of Guyana. I am not Mr. Know-it-all. I'm going to tell you like it is, you see me? But I do understand that part where she said some things that it would seem as if just African descendants within the country of Guyana are being attacked. You understand? Now, it's not the first me I go see a video on social media where persons from within their country are complaining about African descendants being attacked within their country, you see me? Or you could say that they are saying that black people are being attacked by the police more than any other race within that country. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, a lot of time I say this, and I only hope that one day this whole racism thing will be over. You see me? Now when it comes down to election, that's another thing again, because lots of country out there, you know, once you hear about election, you start hear about corruption and you start hear about bribes and all different kind of things. You see what I say? And you know, me really and truly don't feel good to know that so many people from so many countries in the world talk about corruption within their countries. You understand me? And governments from these countries, some of them might not be doing anything about it. You see what I say? Some of the times it makes me wonder if the system within that country is fixed that way to benefit certain persons. You see what I say? You see me? And when I say certain people or certain persons, I mean, when I say certain persons, I'm talking about like the leaders, like the president or prime minister or member of parliament or chief of police or so forth. You understand? Because so many people from so many places and so many countries within the world complaining about corruptions within their country, and yet still a lot of these complaints are fall on deaf ears. You see me? I don't think that so many people from out throughout the world could be telling so many lies. No, I don't think so. You see me? I'm not saying some might not know what they're saying, but I don't think that each and every single one of them don't know what they're saying. You see me? Because they are the ones who are in that country and feel what's going on and trying to let persons know what's going on and can be able to explain what's going on. You understand? See? And even if the person is not in that country, the person might be from a different place. Yes, I say, I hear where the female say something about Biden. You understand? So this person might not be in Guyana at the time this person did this video. You understand? But this person talking about Guyana, you can understand that this person still know what's going on within Guyana. Look, like I said, I don't understand much about Guyana, but this video is out on social media and it had been brought to my attention, and Seriousskilla channel is a place where your voice can be heard. You see me? So I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear what's going on within the country of Guyana from someone. You see what I'm saying to you? So if you don't fully understand, maybe you will get just an idea what's going on if you're not from the country of Guyana. You see me? And if you're from the country of Guyana, then I guess maybe you will understand the things that this person said in this video. Alright? So you can let me know what you think about the things that the person said in the video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla 10.